So the welcome back to the lecture series. So last lecture we are dealing about the leadership qualities that is of future leading of a leader of future. So but yeah, I'm Dr. Husna, working as assistant professor at SNS College of Technology. Now what we do is like we have seen the two types like autocratic and diplomatic democratic type. So next lectures like get into and see the style three of the leadership. The next leadership is like a delicate approach. So that does like laissez-faire leadership. The thing is like they empower the team to make their own decision and they manage their own workflow. Like when the small problems comes, which is all solvable by us, they'll try to delegate and solve in then and there itself. So the thing is like when we try to solve the problem on their own self, they will not depend on the others and they'll not wait for the manager to for the higher authority to give the any inputs before getting the taking the decisions. So here the best quality is like they'll these type of leadership will make employees to be the highly skilled and make it autonomy with a minimal of oversight. So the real example, let's start with taking of startup founders allowing the senior developers and to be the into independently choose their own technical stack and architecture. So all the startup they'll encourage the people like let them do their own innovation. So it's like we are giving the chance to them to explore them and try to create a new thing so that we'll have most of the people, those who are the highly skilled, will be the very comfortable here. This is the type 3 of leadership. So let's see the type 4. The next leadership is like a servant relationship, a leadership like a leadership is like growth catalyst. So the core principle is like the leaders works for a team, not other way round of the success is measured on how much other grows. So always they'll make their employees to grow so that they think that they are also growing and characters is like they focuses on enabling the others to reach their full potential through their empathy listening and then support. So if their manager is dedicating the budget for a team professional certification program or the team improvement, which makes them the comfortable thing. So that the thing is like if we are there is a two thing which we can see that the people will like that leadership like either democratic and servant. So if we combine both together, like we make encourage the people to do their upgrade the skills and they will make the open up decision. So which means that it may help their team to do the better. The thing is like how we approach our team, like maintaining the we see have seen the so far four styles of leadership, but the thing is like we cannot maintain a single leadership qualities for particular leader. I mean particular team or the particular type of work style. So actually we have to blend the different types of work style together to make the approach to be the better. So next type of leadership is like situational leadership, the flexible skill. So like this approach we called as a Hersey and Blanchard model, where they empathize the work. This is an effective leadership of uh, adapting your style like your followers. I mean followers of readiness level, not like applying the single approach. So we have to understand the situational type of approach, like already what I have discussed in previous slides. Like we cannot do this type of only one prescribed type of leadership. We have to make yeah, leadership to be the different like a diagnosis, assess the competency and commitment of your team members, and flexibility is like shift your approaches based on the situation demands. Communication is align your message to meet the particular moment. Like we have to put themselves in a situation and explain them why we want to do this thing. So if that is the prime thing is like when they understand or understand and empathize the situation, they may think that they have taken the whole responsibility so that we'll get the better output. So this is the fifth type of the leadership. So far we have seen the types of leadership, and next we'll see the how the competency level and thing and will be mapped with this in next lecture series. Thank you. Thanks for watching.